Welcome to Getting Started with Knovel, a video tutorial brought to you by the VDOT Research Library. Today, we'll show you how to register for a Knovel account. Knovel is a database providing access to full-text online books from core publishers, such as Ashto. The platform also has sophisticated online tools that help you retrieve, analyze, and manipulate data. We'll cover those in subsequent videos. The quickest way to get to the library is through inside VDOT. Our webpage can link you to all the subscription databases and library services you have access to, but for now we're just going to focus on Knovel. From the library's webpage, click on Research Tools, where you'll see Knovel listed, or from a web browser, simply type in www.knovel.com. Any VDOT employee can register for Knovel in just a few minutes. However, you must be logged onto the VDOT network or be coming in through VPN. Okay, let's click on the Knovel link provided by the library. You'll see a button labeled Explore Knovel, which looks like this. That will direct you to a page that requests basic information, such as your name, job function, and email address. Please be sure to use your VDOT email address, which will later become your Knovel username. Click Sign Up, and you'll see a screen that looks like this. Follow the prompts, and in a few minutes, you'll get an email message. That will lead you to this screen. Again, be sure to use your complete VDOT email address as your username, and if you have a question, you can always contact Knovel. Okay, let's go ahead and get logged in for the first time. Here's the screen you'll see if you're returning to Knovel. In the upper right-hand corner is the Login button. You want to use your VDOT email address as the username and the password that you set up in Knovel. The default search setting is My Subscription, which will help you search the 3 content areas that VDOT subscribes to, about 500 publications in all. It's important to start from My Subscriptions, since VDOT has only paid for access to publications in those 3 categories. If you search all content, you're looking at nearly 3,000 items, probably about 25 different subject areas, some of which may not be that relevant to VDOT users. So back to My Subscription, and we'll go ahead and start by looking at the Browse button. You'll see that you can scroll through a list of titles by subject or an A to Z list. But maybe you'd prefer to search instead of browsing. Since the full text of all items is searchable in Knovel, you can hone in on just the right book, chapter, or page by typing specific terms in the search box. We'll try concrete admixtures. Here's a tip. If you search for the terms concrete and admixtures, Knovel will search for the full text of all publications in our subscription for those words located within 5 to 10 words of each other, listing for you the highest ranked items first. However, if you enclose those same search terms in quotation marks, you'll notice that Knovel will search as an exact phrase. The phrase concrete admixtures in quotation marks is slightly more precise. In this case, it gives us fewer results. We cover searching in greater detail in the video Searching the Basics and Beyond, but back to the results of this search. You may notice that the results display the top 2 most relevant items open to the specific sections where your terms appear. Scrolling down the list, you may also notice some interesting icons, like these. These indicate titles with interactive tables, graph digitizers, or other enhanced productivity features. Again, we'll cover those elements in another video. When you find something that's promising, go ahead and expand that title. Clicking on the word text will open the PDF file. The last thing I'll mention is the importance of clicking on Sign Out in the upper right-hand corner of the screen when you're done. To reduce costs, VDOT's license only allows 1 to 2 concurrent users per subject category. Signing out gives others a chance to sign in. If the maximum number of concurrent users has been reached, you'll see a screen that looks like this. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Ken Winter at the VDOT Research Library.